Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will be creating header component. So inside the post folder, I'll be creating a new file and name it as header.js. And here I'll be doing RAFCE and press tab. So let me do it again, RAFCE, press tab. Okay. So this is the header component which I need to create for the post. And here we need the prop which is called username. Okay. And now let me save this, and inside this div I'll take a class name that is going to be flex border bottom border -b border gray primary. Okay, then height will be 4, padding will be 4, padding from left and right will be 8. And now inside the div I'll take one more div, and here I'll add some more class names. So flex items center. Okay, and inside the div I'll take a link tag, and if I click here, so it will auto import the link from react.dom. And here I'll say 2 curly braces backtick keys /p/ $username. Okay, and I need a class name that is going to be flex items center. Okay, and let me just close the link tag, and inside the link tag I'll be taking an image tag. So image source. First let's add the class name, then I'll take the source. So class name that is going to be rounded full, height will be 8, width will be 8, flex margin right that is going to be 3, and then I'll take an src that is going to be curly braces backtick key /images /avatars $, username .jpg, alt tag that is going to be, again I'll take curly braces backtick key $username profile picture. Okay, and let me close this image tag. Let me just save this. Alt attribute already announced image tag as an image image photo picture. You don't need to use the word image, photo or picture. Images jpg alt tag. I don't know why this is giving me an warning, but let me just save this and we'll see if there is an issue. Okay, then inside the link tag I'll be taking a p tag, and p tag will be the username. Okay, inside the p tag I'll be taking the username, and here I'll be adding the class name that is going to be font bold. Okay, let me just save this, and now let's import two more things which are one more thing which is prop type. So import prop type from prop types. Okay, let me just save this, and here let's add the prop type. So header dot prop types equals to, this is an object, so I'll take an username that is going to be prop types dot string dot is required. Okay, let me just save this. Header is not defined. Why? Okay. So here this should be capital. So I'll just do command E, and here I'll say H. Okay, so header. This is fine. I'm just worried about uh, reductant alt attribute. Screen reader already announced image tag as an image. You don't need to use the word image, photo or picture. Okay, I think because of this it is okay. Maybe I'll say profile pic. Okay, so this is fine. Now let's go to index And now what are we going to do? We are going to import the header component. So here, let me just remove the console log. We don't require this. Inside the return, I'll be using the header component. So header, sorry, not headers, it is header. Okay. If I hit on it, so it is auto imported from the header, and here I'll be passing username. So username, that is equal to username. Okay. Okay. Content dot username, not username. Sorry. Content dot username. Now let's go on the browser and let me just refresh it. So are we getting the, yeah, we are getting the header component which says Carlos 5 times, and we need to do some styling for the header component. So okay, let's go inside the index, and here I'll be taking a div with the class name that is going to be rounded call hyphen span hyphen 4 border bg white border gray primary margin 16. Okay, let's close this. Let me just close the sorry, cut the div tag. Okay, and let me save this, and let's go back here and let's check. So yeah, it is now, it is giving me a boxy thing. Okay, so I think this styling looks good. So this is it for this video, and in the next video we will be working on the image component. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.